Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to download the application Anti-Delete. Once you download that, so now I'm going to show you the complete demonstration. So first I'm going to send message from my other number. So let's suppose I am busy and I am unable to see that message, and after some time that message will be deleted by another person. So once I open WhatsApp, there is no message. So how I can read that? I simply need to go back and open the application Anti-Delete, and here you can see that message is shown here that I can read easily. So this is a process by which you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.